Hi, welcome to our math. In today's video, we're talking about exponential functions. Specifically, we have 4 graphs and 4 equations, and I want to match them. Before I do that, though, I want to give a little information about functions in general. Our exponential function is in the form of f of x equals ca to the x, where c is our initial value. If c is our initial value, that means that 0c is a point on the graph. So in this case, 0, -4 is a point on the graph. In this case, 0, 4 is a point on the graph. 0, -4, 0, 4. So if we look at our graphs, this is 0, 4, which means this is going to go with either B or D. This is also 4, so this is also B or D. Down here, this is -4, which means we're going to go with A or C. And this is also -4, which leaves us with A or C again. Okay. Then the next part of our function is A. A is called the growth or decay factor. It's a long name. It's like slope. Let's give it a name like slope. Let's instead just call it the factor. A is our factor. It's what we multiply to the initial value to move forward. If A is greater than 1, this is growth. That means we're moving away from that horizontal axis, moving forward in time. So if we look at the 2 examples here, as we move forward in time, we go from 4 to 2 to 1. This is not moving away from this x-axis. It's actually moving towards it pretty quickly. If we look at this one, here is 4, here is 6. This is moving it away. So in this one, we're moving away. So A is greater than 1. Here, we're moving towards. So the quick thing to say is say A is less than 1, but the problem is that's not specific enough because your growth factor has to be positive. So we actually have to say that A is bound between 0 and 1 for decay, not just less than 1. We have to bound it to be positive. Okay, so we said it's B or D. 0.5 is between 0 and 1, which means that this first graph is B. And then this one has to be D because, and we can tell that because A is greater than 1, 1.5. So this is D. All right. We know these have to be A or C. Let me just rewrite these down. A is f of x equals -4 times 0.5 to the x. And C up above is f of x equals -4 times 1.5 to the x. Okay, so we have our -4 down. This one is 0.5, which means we're moving towards the axis. So 4, 2, 1, this is definitely moving towards. So this one has to be C. And this one, 4, 6, and so on. This one's moving away as we move forward in time. So this one is C. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video.